So first thing we need to do is make our landmass, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna use green, right? I think that's green. Kind of green.
It's not gonna come out.
How do you get it out?
Just move it around a little.
There it is.
It's my color.
Okay. Here, flatten that out.
I like going like this. You have to do this.
What do we have in here?
We have one roll without the handlebars.
Where is it?
It's under.
Is this it?
Yes, that there's nothing like it. I used a big one because it's more easier.
Yeah, it is easier.
Is the little one easier for you, Dad?
No. That's all we got.
Well, then I can hand it to you.
Sure, sweetie.
So do we make a circle, Dad?
Well, first thing we need to do is make some land.
I just like making it like something big and then
Get it really flat, okay?
flat. Mine doesn't get that flat. What's this? I can
So
get
here
it smooth.
I made an ocean, okay?
Mine is the mountains. The snowy mountains. Why did you cut a half of yours, Dad?
Well, because we need a lake, right?
Yeah.
Here, so let's take this.
Mine looks smooth.
Okay, here, let me see this. Fly way out.
Dad, that's how we're moving.
Way out.
It makes it
Okay.
smooth.
There's our land. Now we have to connect it to our ocean, right?
Yeah. But don't mix it up.
It's okay, we'll separate it.
But how? I don't know how to separate it.
Let's see. Okay. So there's our ocean and there's our land, right? And what's this? Where it meets? What is that?
I don't know.
That's called the coast, right?
Oh.
That's where your beaches are, right?
Oh, the coast where all the beaches is.
Mm-hmm. And then let's take this. We're gonna cut out a little river.
Oh, like.
So here's our lake. Okay.
And what's that?
Let's do this. Let's make a. Do you have some kind of knife or something? This will work.
That.
Yeah. Let's cut out a space for the lake. Okay. See how we're doing that?
We made our own lake.
We're gonna take this out and put our lake in here. See, now we got a lake. And then we can add this over here.
What is that? Is that
So
a
there's some
plant?
more land, right?
Yeah, it actually makes me reverse into mine.
And then how about a river? We'll do one river over here that empties out into the ocean, right? And what's that called?
A lake.
This part of the river where it empties out into the ocean? Look.
Mouth.
The mouth, yes. And then we'll do another part of the river that goes to
Mouth.
where? Where does the water come down from? From the rain, maybe from the mountains?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the mountain.
Well,
It's called the mouth.
we need to make some mountains. How about that?
Yeah.
Or make some mountains?
Yes. Can I make the mountains?
Here, let's make mountains out of this.
Ooh.
Okay, make a few mountains.
I have make mountains.
And put them over here.
Does it look like mountains? These look like hills. You made hills, right, Dad? I need this.
Okay, I'm gonna make a peninsula. Okay.
What is a peninsula again?
It's a piece of land that juts out into the water.
Oh.
Okay. You don't want to flatten that, honey. You're making mountains, right?
Yeah.
So it should be bumpy like this. Look.
Bumpy?
Yeah.
It's a little bumpy.
Look, you have to make them like this. See? Now we got a mountain and we can put it right here.
I make mountains like a tutti, but I make another mountain and then touch it together.
And there, look, I made an island.
Can I please have this?
Mm-hmm. Shelly's, get out of there.
We're scaring her away. You like my mountain, Dad?
Yeah, but we're making it 3D, honey.
I know.
So make
I have
it
to
3D. You
make
can
it
roll it
better.
into a cone. You're making a really tall mountain, huh?
Yeah. You're using yellow?
Yeah, I'm making a desert. You see?
That looks cool. I'm making a cone. That doesn't look like a great mountain. That's okay.
You're making another mountain.
That one looks better than the first one.
See, now it's going to rain. It's going to rain over here in the mountains and snow. And then the snow is going to melt.
From the cone?
And it's going to flow down into the river, which goes down to the lake.
That's how it gets new water.
Yeah, and then when the lake gets really full, it's going to go out this river into the ocean, right?
Yeah.
Is that another mountain?
Yeah.
Oh, you're making a really big mountain.
Yeah. I just need a little bit more pieces.
I'll be right back. Keep going.
Okay. So how you make mountain? You just roll out till you make a real mountain. And that's how you actually make a real mountain. And this is gonna be great. So great.
Want to show Katie your landform?
You see, Case? This is the only landform I'm making today.
And where's that mountain supposed to fit?
It's actually a cone.
Mm-hmm.
I just need one more side.
Okay.
It's ripping apart.
Want to sniff it? Sniff. Sniff.
No arms on the table. Sniffing. Cats like sniff. Actually, wait. I want to put this back together. This is a big mountain.
Okay.
This one.
And what about some hills? We should make some hills too.
You already have hills.
Let's take that and make some hills out of it. Make some hills?
Yes.
You can put them over here next to the mountains.
And the valley.
Mm-hmm. You do two hills and then a valley in between, right?
I did one because I tried making an island but I couldn't. So I made a tiny mountain.
Okay.
That's cute.
Maybe we can take it like this and put it like that.
Oh! That's cool.
See? There's our hills and then we get the valley in between, right?
Yeah.
And we got cat hair everywhere, don't we?
Yeah.
Cats and Play-Doh don't mix, huh?
Yeah. There's more. We have more green and yellow. That's marshmallow. I'm gonna make another desert.
Another desert? Where are you gonna put that?
Right here or somewhere. Does that look good, Dad?
Yeah, looks great.
It's a desert. That's how some deserts look.
Oh, you can make a desert island. You stick it in the water, make a desert island.
In here,
Yeah.
desert island. A fish can take a rest out there.
Yeah, I don't think the fish want to be in the desert. They need water, right?
Yeah.
Desert doesn't have much water, huh?
Crocodiles can go in the desert.
What can go in the desert?
Crocodiles.
Crocodiles? No, they don't go in the desert, you silly.
No, they can. This is the sand, actually.
Yeah.
They can climb up here and take a rest.
That's right. Don't smush it down too much, though, because then we won't be able to separate it. See?
The different.
You want to show Mama the different parts?
So this is what the ones I made: the mountains, more and hills, and a valley.
Ooh, valleys. I love valleys.
And I'm making like little top mountains. They don't have like a tip of it.
Yeah, they're rounder at the tops.
Yeah.
And what are these?
This one is the desert, and this one is the beach. It's the
Ah,
island.
you mean, oh, is it like an ocean or something? Or these are oceans?
That's ocean.
Oh.
This is our lake.
Oh, I love this lake. And what is this? Does it connect to the ocean?
Yeah. So
Wow.
when this is so filled, it goes to
Yeah.
here.
Oh my gosh, that's really cool. So it doesn't flood, right? That is very cool. I love your hills and mountains. You did a great job. Good job.